In the fourth segment of this video, I'm going to explain about the historical development in VR. Here VR represents virtual reality. So in this video, I'm going to explain a few things related to the historical development. I mean the virtual reality, the term or it starts in 1838. The process of this VR starts or evolutes in 1838, and in this video I am going to explain till 1956 the historic era of VR. History of VR, the timeline of events and tech development. In 1935, Stanley Weinborn released Pygmalion Spectacles. It is a spectacle called as a science fiction story spectacle. The story's main character wears a pair of goggles which transports him to a fictional world which stimulates his senses aptly and features holographic recordings. It is the character in his story. Some consider it to be the origin of the virtual reality VR, as the concept of this story was a good prediction of the aims and achievements of the future. However, the first VR technical developments were in the 1830s, so this is where our timeline starts. In 1838, Sir Charles Whitson was the first to describe stereopsis in 1838 and was awarded the Royal Medal of the Royal Society in 1840 for his explanation of binocular vision, a research which led him to construct the stereoscope. The research demonstrated that the brain combines two photographs, one eye viewing each, of the same object taken from different points to make the image appear to have a sense of depth and immersion in 3 dimensions. This technology enabled Wheatstone to create the earliest type of stereoscope. It used a pair of mirrors. You can able to see in the picture 2 mirrors, that is a pair of mirrors at 45 degrees angles. It is placed to the user's eyes, each reflecting a picture located off to the side. This is the first invention of VR. In 1935, the American science fiction writer Stanley Weinborn presented a fictional model for VR in his short story Pygmalion's Spectacles. In the story, the main character meets a professor who invented a pair of goggles which enabled a movie that gives one sight and sound, taste, smell, and touch. You are the story, you speak to the shadows, characters, and they reply. The story is all about you and you are in it. This is the a history of the VR process or VR technology. In 1956, cinematographer Morton Helling created Sensorama, the first VR machine patented in 1962. It was a large booth that could fit up to 4 people at a time. It combined multiple technologies to stimulate all of the senses. There was a combined full color 3D video, audio, vibrations, smell, and atmospheric effects such as wind. This was done using scent producers, a vibrating chair, stereo speakers, and a stereoscopic 3D screen. Helig thought that the Sensorama was the cinema of the future and he wanted to fully immerse people in their films. 6 short films were developed for it. This all about this video. We can come across further in the next video. Thank you.